Police corporal remains in custody this evening after allegedly killing his wife in St. Mary this morning. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is probing the matter. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
A scene of crime minutes to 7 Tuesday morning. The place, Jamaica Beach, Tower Isle, St. Mary. Here, the body of 45-year-old Janet Hardy Lawrence was found. According to reports, Mrs. Lawrence and her husband, Kirk Lawrence, a police corporal, were engaged in an argument when gunshots were heard. The Area 2 police were alerted, and on their arrival, the corporal was seen at the entrance of the house. He is now in custody. However, the circumstances leading up to the killing are unclear. But Mrs. Lawrence's niece, who did not want to show her face on camera, says she was aware that the couple was having relationship problems.
Last night she come and mommy said where you go, and she said she go home. Me don't know why she never come home with, because if she went come home with this would not happen. The other day she find herself and come home with not even clothes. And she went alright for the week.
So they were having disputes for some time?
The man is an awful man, he nobody know her. He's a jealous man, he don't want to see nobody around her, not even a friend, not even one dog.
The family is still in shock and disbelief.
She's a hard-working 45-year-old young woman. Work hard for what she have, for what she achieve. And a long time she has suffered with him and she would not leave.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.